So I had to get gas.
¿Cómo está?
Oh man. Getting out that shit.
This looks mighty fine. Why didn't you come without your hood?
It's last minute planning, bro.
You didn't want to. Oh, true.
We didn't even really know about this, you know.
Not ready. It's not ready. Don't look. It's not ready. Stop it. Don't stare too hard. Oh. We out here at the Cars and Thoughts meet. We got cars, and then we got the thoughts. The thoughts. Right there. Nah, they out there somewhere. They out there somewhere. We just chilling. Oh, getting that fresh pictures.
Is that like old?
Oh, I'm looking for the little bowl cut headed ass motherfuckers.
The coochies?
The coches. The quemaque, yeta no quemaque. Where they at? Yeah, where they at? The possums, yeah. I seen one over there, but I'm trying to find those little bull haircut headed ass little niggas.
Trying to find the cuz at. Where the cuz at?
It's pretty loud.
Compared to that.
Okay, compare, yeah.
Compared to half the Hondas out in the world, bro. You start at Honda, so I'm like, oh, okay. But
Is it gonna rev it or something? I'm trying to see him rev it.
You used 87, bro. You don't even use 91, bro. And I just washed my shit, getting the exhaust fumes on my shit.
Oh, god damn.
I'm gonna have like a little black.
So this is the Sleepy Boyz meet. This is where they do, well, this isn't where they do ratchet shit, but this is a crew that does ratchet shit. They set it up to do ratchet shit. But I don't know if I'm gonna do that afterwards because it's ratchet shit. So these niggas is doing ratchet shit right now. So I don't know. We'll see. It's pretty chill, just a little meet I decided to come out to because yeah, we haven't gone out for one in a minute, but we'll see.
The white
Woo. What you got in here? What you got in here, man?
Summer.
Yeah, I got a.
Oh.
That's good.
I'm trying to think about what Jesse says in the movie.
He says we got a bunch of wires and lines and piping.
He says a bunch of bullshit, like he says a bunch of fake shit, like that's not even.
Nah, I think it's real,
No, because
but
I saw everything.
let me see it, let me see it.
No, because David asked me to bring it because he has fireworks.
Oh, this
And this is the only lighter I could find because they were already getting off the
Like you need to light it.
Babe,
That shit has duct tape too. No, no. Oh! Oh!
Ew, why is he running like that? That's ugly.
Damn, that's vomity. I got that on
They
video.
just acted like they just shot him.
I know.
Like they killed somebody. Like we got his ass.
This shit just got burnt out with this firework they threw out. Everybody's trying to leave right now.
Yeah, I know, exactly.
Someone got hit by a car.
Yeah, man. Imagine if you were filming him like this in the fireworks.
I did. I was. Yeah, it was.
Got it?
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna see it. I got my tickets on. I need to get my tickets on.
Rules out here, bro.
Ooh, who they going after? Who they going after? Well, we have to wait.
Oh wait, they did stop us. Look, they're stopping us.
I'm asking him if he can sign my ticket, and they stopped him. The meet is over, well, it's pre-meet. I don't know if I'm gonna go to this ratchet shit, but the cops showed up, helicopter, they set all the big ass firework. I don't know, let's see. You said you're gonna do a burnout, so I expect a burnout. Damn. Damn. Hey, let's go before it gets burnt.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, so this thing looks packed as fuck.
It's like fireworks.
Oh, they threw a firework. Nigga, what the fuck? Nigga, what the fuck? This is ratchetness on another level. Fuck.
That's Bobby Hill grills. He's good. He's dripping his tank like, look at that all fucked up and shit. Wait.
Go, 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 go! Oh, shit! Oh, watch out! Oh! You gotta watch out with this. Watch out with this again. Oh, shit! Let's get out of here! Yeah, go! Oh! Let's back up a little bit. Oh, look, they almost crashed over there. It's pretty intense. The minute we got here, fireworks, crazy shit.
This one I want to put in the list.
So I guess they're gonna start going to the intersection. Everybody's moving. Just down the ways from where they originally were, but I mean. He just stole a car. Get that phone! Whoa.
They stole that nigga's car.
How did they steal it?
Because he dropped his keys, I guess, and he picked them up and they did it.
That's so stupid though. How the fuck? He must have been looking around for the car with the keys and shit. Like
how did he know it was
hey,
exactly
he was really
that car?
about to run out of the fucking
Yeah, he was.
Check on this female.
Hey, where's your car? Where's your car? Hey, everybody move.
Later on the sidewalk.
Nobody touch him.
Strain her legs. Hey, let him talk. Let him do what you gotta do. Hey, watch out. I'm in the EMT school. Watch out. Hey, can you do me a favor? Hey, back up. Hey, everyone shut up so I can talk to her. Hey, what the fuck? That's good. Damn, she's Hey, make some more space.
Dude, I got that shit when I think it hit her. I don't know if I got it though. Yeah. Fuck no.
Hey, what's up with you?
Damn. Watch out. I'm staying back. I'm staying back. God damn it. Hurry up, everyone go. Go, throw a light. That's a big one. Right next to the car. Oh my god. Pretty dangerous. The kid is right here, the car's right there. What the fuck? And she didn't fall. God damn it. It's like we're wishing a bat upon people like she didn't fall. Fuck. Oh.
Yeah, that's like the Roxbury. You guys on the list?
Are you guys on the cruise?
Brothers?
No. Yeah. Well, those two niggas are.
Oh, dude, those tires are like
Oh, his tire pump? Fuck, the cops just got here. Oh shit, just as I was leaving too. Fuck. Damn. Run, just for dramatic effect. Oh shit. Run. Oh. Everybody's running. I'm just running for the fun. Fuck, you hear that? To wait for Eric and David. This meat, or this, I don't even know what you want to call it. This meat, I honestly don't know, but it was crazy. Someone got their car stolen, someone got hit, fireworks, like cops, helicopters chasing over me. You know, crazy. I was like, no, don't come after me. I felt like Brian or something, you know. But it was fucking crazy, dude. It was cool. Maybe I'll do these frequently if people like it. You know, not every day is this shit gonna happen, so I got lucky that I went the day that it happened, but not every day is it gonna happen, obviously. But I mean, maybe I'll do it every once in a while. I know they do have another one where they go drifting, like in some like warehouse kind of area. It's pretty cool. I'll have to hit that one up. But anyways, yeah, that's that I got. That was, might be a long vlog, but it's gonna be a cool one for sure. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.